Yes, you can. You my sweet dog. Here, tell me. Speak to me.
Are you going to talk to me?
Tell me. Yes, you're a good boy.
Hi.
Tell me.
Tell me, you got no treat, so what am I supposed to say?
That's nice. What can he do? Can you sit? Sit. Okay,
That's
wait.
not sit.
Wait. Wait.
Oh, he's
Wait.
telling you not.
You're just going to tell me? Okay. Ready? Treats. Cuddy, at least have some treats.
Oh, it took him forever. Look at that face.
Do you want some more? Tell me. Can you wait? Wait. Oh, that was pretty good.
That was lame. That was lame.
It was lame. Old.
What you got, Peanut? It's like it's cold. Oh.
We'll get it.
He's so funny. I don't think I've ever seen him eat ice.
Quite a workout for him.
All right. Okay, now do a good wave.
Okay.
You gotta do a good wave, man.
Okay. Can you sit? Okay, sit. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Stay. Wait. Wait. No. Sit pretty. Stay. Wait. 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 Count.
Bang, bang.
Dead dog. Good dog.
Good dog, Peanut. He plays a good dead dog.
That was. I haven't done that in a while. I wonder if he'll tolerate this trip. He knows.
Oh, yeah. That face.
Can you stay?
Oh,
Stay.
he's so cute.
Stay. Stay.
He did it.
Pretty good.
Good job, Peanut.
Nice.
Good job. Boy, that's a good boy. What are you going to do now? Is that all your tricks? Is that all?
You can go up and around, up and around, up and around, up and around.
Mary's got to be able to throw. He is so funny. We love you, Peanut. Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here.
What? Yeah.
Hi. Hi, babies. We love Peanut. Yes, we do. All right. I got a good video of you. Yes, I did.